Hi, Sarah Starr speaking here. Okay, so today what I want to do is go over a really important topic in my heart, and that is affiliate marketing, simply because I've been making sales online since 1999. And today what I want to cover is how to sell affiliate products step by step. Now, it's a huge subject, too big to go into in one video, so I want to record an entire series of videos which I'm going to be recording over the next couple of weeks. So look out for those videos. Okay, so today what I want to do right now is just go over what I'm going to be covering in each video. Today what I want to do is just go over the different types of affiliate marketing, how affiliate marketing works, the different ways in which we can kind of like promote affiliate products. In the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to go right into finding the right niche to go into, because not all niches are good for affiliate marketing. You know, some niches have loads of affiliate products to promote, some don't, some have lots of traffic, some don't. So I'm going to go through a list of some of my favorite niches inside affiliate marketing, so that you can, you know, hit the ground running and know that you're in a niche that's you're gonna make some real money in. Okay, the next video I'm going to cover how to find high-ticket affiliate products. High-ticket, affiliate products, really, I think is an important aspect of affiliate marketing. At the end of the day, if you're only promoting like $10 or $20 products, you're going to need to sell a lot of products to make a really good income, particularly if you want to replace your day job or make a full-time income. And if you're only promoting $10 or $20 products, you're going to need a huge amount of traffic to make a really good income. However, if you're promoting products that where you make, let's say, a $500 commission or a $1,000 commission or a $2,000 commission, you don't need to sell very many of those to start making some really good money, and you don't need much traffic. And believe it or not, it's not hard. It's not that much harder to sell a high ticket product than a low ticket product. So we're going to look into that in video 3. Video 4, we're going to be covering all the different types of free traffic which I currently use in my business. This is a really misunderstood part of affiliate marketing. I see so many videos on YouTube of people teaching the wrong strategies. At the end of the day, I don't see any point in using a traffic strategy that's going to take 6 months or a year or 2 years that might get you results. I like traffic which I'm in control of, that I can turn on like a tap and get traffic tomorrow or the next day or within a week. So I can test things very, very quickly so I can start earning some income. So we're going to look at some free traffic techniques where you can get pretty much instant traffic. And then in video 5, we're going to start talking about paid traffic. So paid traffic is a great way of getting very fast traffic, a little bit more advanced, but I'm going to cover some of my favorite paid traffic techniques in video 5. Video 6, we're going to continue on with paid traffic, but particularly with Facebook advertising. So that's what I'm going to be covering in video 6. And then in video 7, we're going to look at some different types of paid advertising, which I've used over the years. I'm going to cover some things which definitely didn't work in my business, so you can stay away from those, and things which have worked, and thinking outside the box a little bit when it comes to paid advertising. Okay, so let's just jump straight into it with affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing, in case you didn't know what affiliate marketing was? Okay, so affiliate marketing basically is where we refer a customer to someone else's website, and if a sale is made, we get a commission. So it's very similar, like, let's say there was a chiropractor and we had a friend who had a bad back, and let's say we recommended that chiropractor to our friend, and if our friend went to the chiropractor, we will get like a commission from the chiropractor. That's in essence what affiliate marketing is. Online, it's just like a digital version. The great thing about affiliate marketing is the fact that you don't need any inventory. You don't need to send stuff out in the post. You don't need to worry about customer support. Technically, you don't really need a website, although it is kind of like advised. But technically, you don't really need a website, because at the end of the day, all you're actually doing is you are sending traffic to a merchant's website using a special tracking link. And if someone clicks on that link, like if let's say you emailed that link to like one of your friends, if you're like, and let's say you're promoting a product on Amazon, which I wouldn't necessarily recommend, but let's just use this as an example. So let's say you read a really, really cool book on Amazon, you thought it was an amazing book, and you could get an affiliate link from Amazon. And then let's say you had a friend or a couple of friends, and you could actually give like email your friend the link to that book, or text it to them in a mobile text message, or send it to them on WhatsApp or whatever it might be, and say, hey, that book we were talking about the other day when we met up, here's the link to it. And then if they clicked on that link and went through to Amazon, you would get an affiliate commission for a portion of that sale and anything else they purchased that day. So this is what affiliate marketing actually is. And there are different types of affiliate marketing. And like I said, I've been making sales online since 1999. I've been a full-time internet marketer and affiliate marketer since 2008. And I've tried an awful lot of things. I've done Amazon affiliate marketing. I've sold physical products, digital products, software, all sorts of things. And really, when it comes down to it, the best thing you can do as an affiliate marketer, in my experience, this is if you want to make money quickly, consistently, and easily, is to promote digital products. Things like software products, online training courses, ebooks, video courses, things like this, simply because the commission levels are very high. So when you promote digital products like this, usually the commission levels are 50% and up, which is really nice. So if you're promoting, let's say, a $97 product, you're going to make a $50 commission just from one sale, which is pretty cool. So you can very quickly start racking up commissions that way, and even some affiliate programs, you can promote, let's say, a $20 product, make 100% commission on that $20, and then immediately after the person purchases, they're offered some like upsells to that program. So let's say they bought a program on improving your golf swing. So let's say it was an ebook on improving your golf swing, and let's say it's a $20 book. Well, you might get like a 75% commission on that. You might even get 100% commission on that ebook. And the reason that the merchants will do that is because they know that a customer to that company, to the golfing company, on average might be worth $1,000 or might be worth $500, because let's say once they've sold that ebook, now they're going to promote other products to that person in the future, and maybe they have like a golfing academy, maybe they sell golf membership to their golf course, like high ticket, more expensive products. So they know that that customer is worth $500 to them, so it's worth them giving away 75% or 100% commission of that first product, because in essence it's just a lead generation product. So it's much better to spend for a golf company like that to spend, sacrifice that $10 to get a customer, because a buyer is worth a lot of money, than do paid advertising and spend $10 to do the same thing. So they're going to get more value out of it. Sometimes you'll even get a 50% commission of some of the products which are sold later on. So we might get 100% commission of that front end product, and then we might get, let's say, a 50% commission or a 40% commission of some of the more expensive products which are then sold later on. And that's a really easy way to start making some really, really good money. And it's all about, what affiliate programs you sign up to. Now, if you're promoting products on, let's say, Amazon.com, I see a lot of people talking about this, and it's really hard because Amazon mostly, okay, they do sell Kindle books, but at the end of the day, most of the products they sell on Amazon are like physical products, real products, things like, mobile phones and mobile phone cases and, headphones and keyboards and things like this, real world things. The only problem with things like that is the fact there's two problems with that. The first problem is the commission levels tend to be very, very low, sort of 2 or 3%. And again, you're going to need to start selling an awful lot of that type of product to start making some real money with those people. So it's, this is why digital products are the easiest way to start making some really good income. The final thing I want to talk about is there's two kind of very distinct ways in which we can build an internet marketing business. And there's what we call the direct linking model versus building an email list. So when we're promoting affiliate products, we're given like a special link. Now, One way in which you could make affiliate commissions is you could literally just give that affiliate link to all your friends, and if some of them purchase, then you're going to make some money. Another way you could do it is you could put lots of content out there all over the internet with your affiliate link in it, and hopefully someone might click on a link. So let's say you're promoting a golfing product, you could create, let's say, a training guide on your blog, or you could create an article on your blog or a video on YouTube, and then some of those people might, after they've watched that content or read the content, they might click on a link and then consume your product, and then purchase the product. So that's what we call direct linking, and you can actually do it with paid advertising, although it is a little bit more difficult. So direct linking is quite attractive when you first start. That is what I first started with, although it's much tougher to build a full-time income with direct linking, because at the end of the day you're sending all of your traffic to a merchant's website, and yes, you'll make a sale, but then that's it. Yeah, you're done. It's much better to use that traffic to build a list of people which you can then communicate with regularly, particularly within one marketplace. So let's say we went into the golfing niche. Let's just say that was a market which we went into. And let's say we were going after people who are really trying to, I know nothing about golf, but let's just say we're really going after people who are executives who want to learn how to play golf so that they can find, they can do business deals whilst on the golf course. Let's pretend that's a niche. That would be a really good niche to go into. So we could go into that niche and we could start building a community of business people in that marketplace who don't know how to play golf, but would like to learn how to play golf or improve their golf so that they can do business deals whilst on the golf course. Yeah. So what we could do is we could build a community of people, and we could do that in a Facebook group. We could create a Facebook group all about, doing business on the golf course. We could create a Telegram group doing the same thing. We could create an email list doing the same thing. And it's whatever you're comfortable with doing. To be honest, I find that the email list is still one of the best ways in which to build a community. You could even create like a physical meetup, like a weekly meetup or a monthly meetup. I've done that in the past, where people actually come to an event every week. But the point is, when you're in control of a group of people like that, you're suddenly in a very powerful position, because now when you recommend products to that group of people, and they will buy, particularly if you're providing a really good service to that group, if you're providing really good information, like a weekly newsletter, or some like a meetup or something like that, those people are going to value that. Or on Telegram's a very new one. So you could create a Telegram group where people can chat and network amongst each other, and then you can promote affiliate products within that Telegram group. You can do the same thing on Facebook, although Facebook these days are starting to limit how many people see the interactions on Facebook groups, because they want to get us to pay for advertising. So that is affiliate marketing. Like I said, building a group is probably one of the best things you can do with affiliate marketing if you want to make money kind of like in the long term. We're going to cover both aspects of this, building a group and also direct linking. We're going to cover both aspects of affiliate marketing in this course. And in the next video, what I'm going to be covering is finding the right niche to go into. So how do you need to make sure, for instance, that, there are lots of people online searching for this stuff. We need to make sure there are lots of products. We need to make sure they're the right kind of people that buy over and over and over again. So that's what we're going to be covering in the next video. Look, I hope you found this content useful. It would be really helpful to me if you could like this video, if you found it useful, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about what I've talked about, I'd be happy to answer your questions. Please just comment below the video, and look out for the next video in the next couple of days. If I've already made the video, if you're looking at this in the future, the next video will be up here in the corner. So go and have a look at that for video number 2 in the course. I'll speak to you next time.